Welcome to In It to Win It Travel. We are here on Kauai, and I'm here with Aiden. We just went out and did some Hawaiian spearfishing. Aiden, thank you for being on the show.
Yeah, thank you. I'm excited to be on the show.
Awesome. Okay, so we just went out. We got, what kind of fish did we get?
We got a few kole, one king kole, and then some humu eleles, also known as hoggy.
Okay, awesome. And how long have you been spearfishing?
I've been spearfishing about 7 years, and I've been running these tours for about 2 years now.
Okay, so the first step here is you're taking off that little spine.
Yeah, the little spines. You just go.
Take one out there.
Yeah.
Boy, that could really get you, huh?
Yeah.
And then pan fry it in some hot oil?
Yeah,
For like
so
5 minutes on each side, or?
5 minutes too long.
Oh, okay.
I would say, yeah, that's the worst thing. I would rather have undercooked fish than oily fish.
Okay.
And I would recommend pan fry about 2 to 3 minutes each side for maybe this guy.
Okay.
And then the smaller ones, maybe 1.5 minutes, 2 minutes each side.
Okay.
And you know it's done because all the skin in the meat will turn a golden brown color.
Okay.
It'll turn a golden brown color, and then you'll be able to literally just take the meat and peel them straight off the bones. It'll all flake right off the bones.
Okay.
You just peel them off, eat them all in strips, eat all the fins, eat the tail. The tail's the best part. It's like a French fry. You just
Okay.
eat it like that.
Okay, well, it was a lot of fun. I highly recommend it. What if you could give your top 3 tips to someone who's new to Hawaiian sling spearfishing? What would those be?
My top 3 tips, probably first one is to just stay as calm as possible. I know it's exciting seeing all the fish, seeing all the things out there, but first thing would definitely be just stay calm, really as calm as you can be. Second thing I would say is to really just, if you're out there with fins, use your fins. You don't want to be swimming with your hands out there too much, waving around the spear, because that does make a lot of noise and distracts the fish a lot. So I would say just swim straight out with your fins the whole time. Don't be trying to use your hands. And then last most important thing would always be if you're going after fish, always try to dive down to the bottom first. Like, you never want to just swim right at the fish. You want to go to the bottom, and you kind of just either want to crawl towards the fish or try and scratch the reef and bring the fish over to you. So that's probably the 3 tips I would say.
Okay, so stay calm. Don't move around a lot, right? Use your fins to move. Don't use your arms. And actually get down on the fish's level so you can see them broadside instead of trying to hit them from the top.
Yeah, exactly. Just like that.
Okay. And you also mentioned scratching the reef. What did you mean by that?
So scratching the reef, there's certain species it really helps with. So like one of our species, the Nanui, if you actually go down to the bottom and you scratch the reef, a lot of times like it kind of makes a little dust, it makes a noise in the water, and they actually think it's an injured fish down there going crazy on the reef. So they'll swim right up to your face to come check it out.
Wow. Okay. I'm going to have to try that the next time.
Yeah.
Aiden, thank you very much. This was a lot of fun. I highly recommend this. We'll put their link down in the comments below if you guys want to check it out here in Kauai. Aiden, thank you for coming on the show.
Yeah, pleasure to meet you. Thank you.
Yes. And thank you for tuning in. Go to stevebartonmoney.com for more and have a wonderful day. For more content like this, check out these videos right here.